message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, Calaveras, and Stanislaus. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Stanislaus County in central California, Calaveras County in northern California until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Copper Cove Village, or 13 miles west of Sonora, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Telegraph City, Angel City, Eugene, Milton, Ponson, Copperpolis, Copper Cove Village, Vallecito, East Oakdale, and Angel's Gap. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California, Calaveras, and Stanislaus.